Well, good morning. We got an exciting day today. Super hazardous, sketchy tree job over the road here on a major road in San Luis Obispo. And I'm gonna get to film this removal today. Pretty excited about it. Let's go see what these guys are up to.
Can I help you, sir?
Hey!
How's it going?
I'm good, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you, Brandon.
Yeah, good to see you.
I'm
Nice.
excited to see you guys tear this thing up.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Do you think you guys will do this in a day?
I don't know. Our main crane operator called me or texted me at like 5 a.m.
Here's the owner.
and he's having a baby, so
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Baby day, huh?
baby day.
All right, so technical tree removal. 401, right here. You can see these guys got quite the challenge ahead of them. We got busy street. We got guys in the street cutting stuff. Yeah, it's falling right in the lane even. So it'll be pretty interesting how this goes. Excavator here with a grapple. Moving material. One big challenge they're going to have with this job is that big cable up in the tree is kind of holding this thing together. And yeah, it'll be interesting to see how they get that done without hurting the house. Some big wood. This is the real beast that's going to get the job done right here, huh? This is the one? What do you call this?
This is a knuckle boom crane.
Knuckle boom crane with a hot saw, right?
Yes, it has that as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes in, it opens up in 3 different stages. It folds out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right on. What's your name?
Zach.
Zach, I'm Jeremy.
Nice to meet you.
Are you in charge of this beast?
Yeah, I'm the crane operator.
Nice. Oh, this thing's awesome.
Yeah.
So are you going to use the hot saw today, or are you going to use just the knuckle boom?
I think we might just sling everything.
Oh, yeah.
Throw some slings around it. You can take bigger pieces that way.
Oh,
A
yeah.
little safer when it's over a house too.
Right, right. Makes sense.
Yes,
Dang,
sir.
I want to see the saw work.
We might get it out, we'll see.
Okay, right on. Yeah, this is going to be the hot ticket a little later here today, so I'll be back. Oh yeah, there's the grapples with the hot saws. 2 different sizes. Very cool. All right, setting up the boom here. Got a 5,000-pound weight capacity, fully extended, and close in tight. It can handle 25,000 pounds. That's insane. More than enough, that's for sure. Pretty good. All right, we're gonna get our first piece of big wood here. Crane. Guys are moving material like crazy. Lots of obstacles. Sometimes a beast. unfortunately has to come out, starting to tear stuff up on the house. And it's just a big old hazard, as you can see. He's controlling that boom with a remote control. And down below, that's pretty sweet. Alright, big saw time. All right, they got some big wood off using the excavator grapple. They pushed it back over there against the stump. Now they want to sling this big piece up here. It's looking a little iffy. Well done, Brandon. Nice work. That was beautiful. Down. I think this one's going down the old-fashioned way. Well, these guys got half the tree down safely, successfully. Working on this side now. Pretty impressive. This crane's been a sweet tool. get this thing to spin towards the tipper. Hey, cowboy. Look at that. That was impressive. I'm impressed. Just lassoed that thing. Tagline on that baby. They're gonna have to cut this one loose. Oh my gosh, you're gonna cut it without a rope. What are you thinking, bro? There you go. Attaboy. Whew, it's pretty high up there. There we go, big top. After water break. There she goes. Woohoo! Nice. All big wood now. There it goes. Woo! Big old bounce.